Hey guys, this will be my third rant, and this rant will be about Fritz the Cat. Anyways, enjoy. Fritz the Cat? No. More like Fritz the Failure. Oh my goodness. This movie sucks. This movie is a ripoff to Garfield, which this franchise is way better than this. This movie is about a bad cat named Fritz, and he likes to go on failure missions. Fritz is an insult to Garfield, and Fritz has got to be the one of the worst characters ever. And this character likes to do drugs 24/7. And also, he wants to have sex with girls. Like, that's sexual harassment. And I'm not gonna talk about the other characters, so I'm just gonna leave it be. Anyways, the animation is garbage. And also, the scenes are not meant for kids. These scenes are totally inappropriate for kids and teenagers to watch. And I'm going to give you this a warning. If you are a kid or a teenager, this movie is rated NC-17, which means this movie is not suitable for children under 17. And don't even think about watching Fritz the Cat, because it's too inappropriate. You want to know why? Because this movie has sex, bad language, and drug use. I do not know who likes this movie, so I'm just gonna leave it be. But do you know who hates this movie? It is me and Xavier the Awesome Boy 2K1. We hate this show because it is too inappropriate for us to watch this movie. So curse Fritz the Cat. And curse Eek the Cat. Garfield is 10 duodrigentillion times better than Fritz the Cat. End of rant. Next rant will be about Sausage Party. After the Sausage Party rant, it will be the Scary Movie rant. After the Scary Movie rant, there will be an American Pie rant. After the American Pie rant, it will be about Baby Shark's Big Show. After the Baby Shark's Big Show rant, it will be the Bubble Guppies Mermaids rant. After the Bubble Guppies Mermaids rant, it will be about American Reunion rant. After the American Reunion rant, it will be about American Wedding.